Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a private story on the Snapchat. So it's very simple. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on your profile picture from the left top. Once you will do it, now you have to scroll up and here you will see a private story in my stories section. So you have to click on it. Now from here you have to select the friends you want to add in the new private story and create story. Once you will do it, here you have to enter your private story name. So let's suppose I enter and tutorial. So click on the save and your story is created. Now if you want to create a private story, simply you will see a new private story available here. So tap on it and click a story or shoot a story from here and post it. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.